Thanks for watching. Today we are looking at a 2013 Nissan Altima SL. Here we are inside the Altima taking a look at the steering wheel. We have control over the driver information center and media with cruise control, leather wrapped wheel with power windows, locks and mirrors all on the door. This screen in the center has a rear view camera as well as our AM/FM radio, CD changer, auxiliary input. We have dual zone climate control with heated seats for the two front passengers, auxiliary input and power points, and a hidden storage compartment for your devices, CVT automatic transmission, a great leather interior, and up here we have a power slide, power tilt, sunroof, moonroof, and garage door openers with compass and temperature display. The Altima is sitting on 17-inch alloys with Michelin all-season tires. Here in the rear you can see all the great chrome trim along with the rear view camera tucked up under inside. Here inside the rear of the vehicle we have child seat anchor points, child lockouts in the door, curtain airbags, and a center cup holder armrest. Come on down today to check out this Nissan Altima or some of the other great ones we have.